Hello friends and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can calculate the average using the average function. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So to calculate the average using the average function in Excel, you can use two options. You can enter in cell by cell, that is using cell reference, or you can enter a range of values, that is to say range reference. So for the cell reference, it would be equals in the average function. Then you come over to the cell. Let's say we want the age of the first three passengers, so it would be cell 1, comma, cell 2, comma, and cell 3. And then we close the bracket, press enter. We get that value. Now, to use the range reference, it's the same process. So it is equals average. Then we pass in the range from F2 to F4. Close the brackets and then press enter. So as you can see, the value is the same for both options. So now here Excel is throwing some sort of error message, but this is false, so we just say ignore error. Okay, that's good. So in this video, I've only used the first three rows of the data to do calculations, but you can go ahead and actually take a wider range. So you can say average. Then you come over to the edge, shift, control, then the down arrow to select the entire range of values. Close the bracket, press enter. Now if we scroll back up here, so this is the average age of all the passengers in this data set. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.